Alright guys, what's up? Good morning. Welcome back. I'm as late can be here today. Hope you guys are feeling good, doing well. I will say I'm feeling a little bit better. Day by day here, feeling a little bit better. I believe today is the last day in this cycle. We should be back to full strength by tomorrow. Yeah, today's Wednesday. So what's up? What's up? Let me write up the watch list. There's a couple of them. There's ACB, which is up 24%. There's KTTA. That one is up 75%. There's OGEN, which is up 89%. And there is EDBL, which is pulling back and up 27%. BBAI did start to move up recently, and I think maybe at this point is worth keeping an eye on. BBAI. It's only up 15%, but I think it's worth keeping on the watch list. So those are my top stocks. There's about 6 minutes to the open. So I'm going to situate myself here and get ready. For those of you in the chat room, I'm pretty sure Marcelo has already done a very detailed analysis. For those of you on YouTube, you guys know my analysis is pretty basic. Just a few trend lines at the highs and the lows as benchmarks to remind myself. A few daily levels, and that's about it. I do not read the news or anything like that. So as you guys are tuning in, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and let's get ready to rock and roll. We've been coming in pretty late these last couple of days, but I think that's fine for now. Next week we'll get back into it once we get out of this funk. So ACB high 499, lows are at 450. The daily chart really, the 200 EMA looks like the biggest level, which is at 510. Other than that, room up to $6. So this could be interesting if it happens to be strong. That's ACB. We got 4 minutes to the open. Okay, moving on to KTTA. High point is at 464. It's been grinding up, not really a very obvious low, but I'll map out 440, which is right below VWAP 450 for KTTA. It has 29 million shares of volume, is up 76%. The 200 EMA is at 449. The last time the stock made a move, we pushed up to 750. That was back in September of last year, September 25th. So it's a stock that's moved up before. Hopefully today we can see a strong move. KTTA, we'll see how it does. We got 3 minutes. So OCGN, to just take a quick look here. This is the penny stock of the day so far. Pre-market highs are at 60.55. 60 cents for the highs. Right now we've pulled back to the lows of the range, which is around 47 cents. At least it's on its way down. It's on its way down to the lows of the range. Of course, we'll want to see this break out of this channel and rip to the upside. Can we see that? And yesterday we had a stock go from 50 cents to like $2, right? Or 187. So hopefully we can see a strong penny stock today. That would be good news. That would bring some good strength.
MRCY.
2-minute warning coming up. For BBAI, here's a 2-minute warning. For BBAI, and okay, my sound looks good. Let me just take a quick look.
MDLZ. MAT.
Looks like it's been grinding up the last couple of days, giving a small push here in pre-market. You know, this type of stock for me really comes down to just how strong it is, how obvious it is. If it's not obvious, I don't really want much to do with it. You know, everybody needs to be paying attention to it, and it needs to be ripping into new highs, halting up. If not, I'm not even gonna bother, right? I need something strong, predictable, linear, obvious. If I'm not getting that, I need to shut it down and wait, sit on my hands and wait, do whatever is necessary to protect the profits. So with about a minute to go, yesterday's plan is today's plan, meaning I'm going to start off small, wait for the strong stock. The moment I recognize that a stock is strong and pulling away, I want to try to capitalize as quickly as I can and then protect the gains. Max loss will be 500 bucks. If I manage to lose 500 bucks with my small size, I gotta really tread water lightly. If I push down to like 650, 700, maybe that's the day right there. We're done with these big red days, man. We gotta try to avoid big red days at all costs. So small size to start. Just gonna take it slow. Be patient into the open. I think I'll watch KTTA and then I'll go from here. So let's trade to the best of our abilities. And let's have a good disciplined day.
SAN.
CPIX. GRAB. NOB. BST. EYPT.
350, well, 360 or so up to 80
CGC.
for KTTA.
DATS. LUCK. DTSS. HOG. NBY. AMOD. CBAI. IMG. MITQ. SKYQ.
KTTA.
ABNW.
ACB,
LAB.
can we get over 5?
HOG. IREN.
STFS.
Nope, not quite.
EYPT. ACB.
And that's down to 70.
LAIS.
Let me turn off this thing, man. This thing's annoying. Got this scanner just saying every stock in the world is just like ridiculous. BBAI perhaps? BBAI 577. Okay. KTTA as well. Which one is going to be the strong one? Also, the penny stock looks interesting too. Trying at the penny stock for the 1-minute candle to make a new high. $57 for the highs. There's 57. There's 58. Okay. Watching at the penny stock OCGN here. It's holding 58. All right. Hopefully we get an entry here. Oh, okay, that was early. And I got 57.7. Not great. Trying again. 56.9. Do not take me to the depths here early. Alright, we got to be a little bit more accurate than that. That was like 2 losing trades for 1 winning trade. That's not good. And we needed a pullback too. We can work with this one. $59 high. 61. Oh, it's actually stronger than I would have anticipated. I gotta be careful. I sized up since it's moving, but I gotta be a little bit more accurate here. Do I want to try breakouts through the highs? I'll go for it. Oh, nope. Nope, I do not. I do not. Okay. That was instant rejection. See, I don't like that I'm not like instantly green and just pushing into the green, so I gotta watch myself here. Maybe I size down a little bit. There's 62. All the other ones look like they're selling off a bit. Early on a lot of the dips, so I'm noticing. All right, noted, noted. Gotta make that adjustment for it to do well here. ACB, if ACB gets over 5, could be interesting. It's over 5 and it's not pulling away. ACB. But best for me not to trade 2, so coming back. 59. KTTA also red to green here. D9. Like, there's not being a flat trade. It's just, come on. Oh, hopefully they don't start me early with these fills. KTTA looking interesting. ACB looking interesting. OCGN looking interesting. All 3 of them are like showing potential here. Six, 7. Oh my goodness, man. Should I stop trading this stock? I think I probably should. I'm not liking what I'm seeing here. Like I took like 10 trades. I'm not green. It's not good. Nine, 10, 11, 13. Hmm. Selling pressure at 60, taking 57. It looks like it's coming down. All right, switching over. Come on, ACB. You're the last one standing. Do something. ACB, take us to the moon. ACB. Can we see 550? I'm gunning for 550 ACB. Moon. And it's taking me to the depths. Well, ACB having trouble, but still alive, at least. $22 for the highs. This stock is moving very weird. I don't like it, but if it continues to hold up, that's all that I need to know, right? That's all that matters. We'll figure it out. Oh, and I'm slacking. Oh, I'm slacking big time. Okay. I'm gonna retest the highs right there. The high is at 32. Do we need a bigger pullback? It's best if we hold up this candlestick here. Okay. More. 6. Trying one more time. Come on. It better hold up here. Show me over 20. 22. Can we see a retest of 25? Come on, KB. We got sellers coming in too, but if we can push through 30, this should be pretty good. We can push through 30. Watching stock ACB, just being patient here, waiting to see what it does. So far, it is holding above the resistance, the 200 EMA, so that's a good sign. There's 11.
CSAR.
9, 8, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna just wait. Yes, it needs to hold up. We're getting a topping wick here, which on the 5, which isn't good. I need to see it back above 10 and 15. What is everyone else watching? Because this, I don't know, this one, it's not over yet, but definitely struggling a little bit there. Six, 3, 5. Now rip to 20. Prove to us that you're strong. If this rips to 20, I'm going to hold it for 50 minutes. Diamond hand style. And 14. And it's taking me to the depths. Alright, sizing back down and waiting. See if we can reclaim that low right there. And it's, you know, again, it's still alive, but this close in this 5-minute candlestick here doesn't look too good. Sidelines time. See, it goes to 20 this time. Alright, it's still alive. At least it's still alive. I think I would hold if I'm in, because it just proved that it's holding up, right? Well, I'm not in, so I gotta try to get in. Also not in low, so I might not be able to hold as long as I would want to. 22. I would expect to see 30 at some point. Oh, oh, that's not good. I'd expect to see 30 at some point. And this could be a strong stock if it really opens up eventually. So it's good to gain a rhythm and just get a good flow. So once it starts to move, it's game on.
CSAR.
16 fill. Not good. What we need is for it to just rip up to like 30 and then, you know, take off. Let me put on the, let me just check, make sure nothing is moving.
DDD.
What's the chat room saying?
NKTR.
SSRM. HIMS. ASTS. BFLY.
What about
KC.
BBAI?
AAOI. TNX3. DDD. MVIS. SSRM.
There's 18 again. We're still flagging here, right? This is still one huge bull flag.
ASTS. ASST. KC.
We are getting higher lows for now, which is a good sign.
PWM. OPFI. MVIS. ASST.
Show us something.
OPFI. KC.
Take off like a missile. And go to Pluto. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not what I want to see. Okay. Well, all right.
WGS.
CPIX. WGS. LFMD.
BBAI, once again, could be interesting. $18, $19.
CPIX. ASST. PWM. WGS.
The new 5-minute candle. This candle's pretty young.
HIMS. ATEN.
MODB.
REBN. CSAI may resume in less than a minute. ASST. EBAX. WGS. CGC.
RITR.
Bro, come on.
EYPT.
Do something.
AGEN.
Alright, I'm gonna wait till high of day. It's still not good. Wait till high of day. Just chopping around. Okay. Okay. Keep going. Push. 23.
CGC.
Okay.
HIMS. REBN.
BDMD.
You go insane here.
CSAI.
It is moving up, which is good.
SLXN. HIMS. REBN.
Just a high fill. That's a high fill. It looks like it's trying here. Let's see what it does. It needs to just go through without too much resistance.
REBN. SLXN. ACB. REBN. SLXN. ACB. HIMS. ABSI.
Is that a bid? Looks like it might have been.
CPIX. CGC. ACB. RNAZ. BDMD. ABSI. CPIX. PLCE. CGC.
CPIX.
ASPI.
GRRR.
REBN. RNAZ. ACB. CPIX. GRRR. CGC. USAU.
It's holding. What's it gonna do? It's just like
REBN. RNAZ.
my gosh, man.
CPIX halted. CPIX will resume at 10 hours and 35 seconds.
RNAZ.
RNAZ.
RNAZ halted. Yeah. Patience. Patience is the key. Oh, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Is it done? Oh, man.
RNAZ halted. RNAZ will resume at 10 hours 1 minute and 43 seconds.
Oh, what was that? It's giving back everything.
AKAN.
And I looked so good, but sadly not holding up.
KRKR.
Why is it dipping so low?
REBN. CDT.
CPIX. Oh, CPIX looks decent. Oh man. Okay, maybe CPIX was the one. There's depths. RNAZ, I don't even know if I want to look at that, but
KRKR halted. KRKR will resume at 10 hours 2 minutes and 59 seconds.
well, I'll take the 300 bucks. We gave back a little too much on the first consolidation, but
EYPT.
all good.
HIN.
I don't know, I thought it was moving fairly well. ACB. The breakout of 30, maybe I should have just been a little bit more aggressive to buy the breakout by size.
REBN.
Resumption for CPXI. CPIX is going to be at
EYPT. AB.
10, well, at the hour and 35 seconds. So we got about a minute. RNAZ,
CPIX may resume in less than a minute.
RNAZ, I'm not really too worried about that resumption. Volume is light.
IBP.
It could be good, but I might let it get halted up again before I get involved.
REBN. EYPT.
Indeed, LS.
KC.
CPIX. 564. Looking for the dip and rip.
SLXN. ETNB.
CPIX.
EYPT.
I could have been in. I could have been in. Could have been in. Wanted too much of a dip,
CAC
brother.
will resume in less than a minute. BYON.
Bills are not great.
SLXN.
Gotta slice down. And it's moving at the speed of light to get, trying to get those good entries there. Okay, okay.
RNAZ.
BKSY.
There's a churn here. And it looks like it might not be ready.
RNAZ. KRKR may resume.
All
in
my
less than a minute.
trades, losing trades here.
BBAI. REKR. NNBC.
RDKR.
MAIA. IBP. BYON.
This one is a tough one. CPIX. Bills are a little unforgiving as well. 808.
SKYE.
Mm-mm-mm. Or like, alright, okay, I'm getting cooked. Okay, alright, I'm done with this one. There's nothing I can do, just not accurate. RNAZ, not much. Got destroyed on that. ACBs in the slums. The halt down is at 51 if it sells off.
RNAZ. OSCR.
Yo. RNAZ halt up is at 1020.
DM.
BCRX.
Hope it gets locked in.
DNA. RNAZ. SSRM.
Red
RNAZ.
800 bucks. Not good.
OSCR.
So we got to be careful with the resumption RNAZ.
JG. RPID.
I think I had like 12 trades, 2 winners, 10 losers. CPIX. The 2 winners,
RNAZ.
very small size.
RNAZ halted. RNAZ will resume at 10 hours 10 minutes and 56 seconds.
SPRC. BTCT.
I think if RNAZ, like there's not much there, I'm gonna be done and I'm out of here. Tomorrow again. Again, if I'm going red past 500, just gonna look to cut it, ease off, come back the next day.
KRKR may resume in less than a minute. PCLA. BTCT. OSCR.
CYCN.
PCLA. BCTX. OSCR.
CPIX halting down 520.
KRKR.
BCTX.
Yeah, I think
LTP.
RNAZ is like my last trade. If this isn't good,
CQIX.
I'm out of here. If this one saves today, then I'll stick around longer and just kind of see how it goes. But
LTBR.
CPIX halted. CPIX will resume at 10 hours 13 minutes and 10 seconds. SANA.
KRKR.
OSCR. LTBR.
RENB. JG. GNLN.
PCLA. JG.
so 01, no, 11 and 56 seconds. Is that right? Or is it 10? I think it's 10 and 56 seconds for RNAZ. So a little over a minute.
OSCR.
One minute to
May
RNAZ.
resume in less than a minute. OSCR.
RNAZ coming up. RNAZ, please save this day. Save us from this slums.
MAIA.
10:20.
OSCR. KRKR halted. KRKR will resume at 10 hours 13 minutes and 32 seconds.
56. 10 seconds on my side. Here we go.
RNAZ.
There's a hidden seller. Dip more. Dip,
RNAZ.
dip, 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 dip.
VERB.
It's just so tough to get the fill. Now take me to the moon. Damn, dip again. Dip, 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 dippity dip. Oh, dip. Dip, 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 dip. Shit. That was my fault. I could have got better fill there.
RNAZ.
Held high, 50. What's it gonna do now? Halt up, it's moved higher.
MCUB.
Oh, it's ripping right up. Bro. Here it is. 50 fill is monstrous, man. That's no fair. Such a good trade. Wasted. So I'm guessing,
CPIX may resume in less than a minute.
bro, that's madness, man.
BBAI.
Kind of have to hit the bids. Probably could have held half, but
KRKR may resume in less than a
waiting.
minute.
No, 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 no.
AGEN.
Yeah, holding half there would have made sense. Look at that. Jeez Louise. Bro, if I get the right fill on that first dip, there's no way I'm selling that position.
IBBD.
It's just frustrating to get filled that much higher. Jesus. Scratch trade and I should already be up 3,000 now.
CPIG.
AGEN. OSCR.
76 to halt up.
RNAZ.
KRKR.
KC. IBBD.
Stock is strong, man.
BBAI.
1188 the halt all is went higher. When you think you should see a pullback, it's just going.
DNA. SMCI. IBBD.
Bro, 97, man. That is some BS.
BBAI.
That's just robbery right there, man. Bro, I buy that at the speed of light, man. So much you can do. A legendary trade gone.
SMCI. SERB. PDYN.
That is ridiculous.
BBAI.
That is
OSCR.
ridiculous, man.
IBBD. QBTS. SMCI.
It's another one of those trades, but once you get that type of entry,
PDYN.
boy oh boy.
BBAI. EYPT. CNTL. USAU. IBBD. PDYN. BBAI.
It's not ready.
SMCI.
Or is it?
BBAI.
Or these stocks like this just
AZTA. RDCM.
a bit of a false breakout right there.
EYPT.
Getting some monstrous fills. Get me out, get me out, get me out.
MBIO.
Nothing on the ask at 20.
BBAI. PDYN. SMCI.
For the trades I tried to place, and like the trades that I like how it got executed,
PWM.
I think we could have, made like 4,000, even with the small size. But where you get filled is pretty significant.
DNA. PDYN.
So let's try again.
ABSI.
Spreads are bigger this time. Hopefully gets halted up if it goes. What's it gonna be? I think I'm gonna leave it alone here. Is it gonna go 70? Can we push through? And it's fighting. It's fighting.
RNAZ.
It's churning. It's not quite going. It's not yet dropping.
ABSI.
Is it gonna be up or down?
SMCI.
So that's a double top. A bit of a rejection. It looks like it held up somewhat high, relative to the lows at least.
LFWD.
ACRV. WISA.
Maybe AI, by the way. That one took off a little bit.
ECLA.
The new 5-minute candle's 30. It's a couple seconds out.
ACRV. WISA. SMCI. ABSI.
You gotta hit the bids. Hitting the bids is the only way. Yep. Hopefully the 5-minute setup works. If it keeps holding tightly here, it's not bad.
GRRR.
But we'll see how it plays out. Oh, there's the halt down. This is the 5-minute setup if it holds up out of this resumption. So when it gets halted down, because it looks like it will, we'll see how it plays out.
GRRR. SMCI.
Bro, that big dip I bought at the speed of light, bro. Like I bought that dip
ABSI.
without even thinking. And then I get filled 60 cents higher. ACB trying again. But I think I'll leave it alone at this point.
BL.
RPID.
Resumption.
ABSI.
If we get the bear trap, which I think
MAC.
could happen here. What are the odds that we can get a bear trap? How's the volume?
ASPI.
Every indicator in the world that I have, how's it looking? That this could be a bear trap. Or am I doing wishful thinking?
BBAI. CGC. SMCI. REKR.
Time 21 till 26 and 12 seconds. We got about 3 minutes. I'm thinking, I don't know. I like it, but I don't want to overdo it. I would want to be in with a position, but it'll have to make sense. It'll have to make sense. If not, I'm gonna be red after this trade. It all depends on how it plays out, how it opens, how it drops, if it drops at all.
SMCI.
I will let the price action guide me.
REKR. SMCI.
I'm gonna take a trade like Vegito.
INTZ.
Vegito, are you watching this setup here?
ABSI.
Vegito and Dynamo,
REKR.
those two guys. So far in the day, we are red 500. We're flirting with our max loss here, so I gotta be careful, small size, not be too aggressive. We got about a minute. Big Steve
ABSI.
wants to insta-buy.
REKR. RNAZ may resume in less than a
Like
minute.
Rambo. Like Rambo on the keys.
POAI. VIGL.
IVVD.
10:14. There's a couple seconds.
CRNT.
10 seconds on my side. Here we go.
POAI. ASST.
RNAZ.
Flush, flush, flush. Oh, no. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. This is fine. I wanted it to dip more, but that's okay. And I'm prepared to accumulate my position here. Let's see how this does.
SLXN.
There are some sellers
HYPR.
50. That's okay. Low was what, 80? 30 cents. You gotta just watch for that. It could re-average. Let's see how it holds up.
SLXN. CRNT.
Watching and waiting. If
IVVD.
it takes me to the depths, then I'm done. So for the day, oh. Okay, it looks like I'm getting depthsy here. Can we see that bounce back over 10 at the 10,
ASST.
20, and so forth?
LTRN.
If it breaks down, I am out of it. And it's a losing trade. I think I should have re-averaged the first position.
ASST.
I didn't really make up my mind. What was it gonna be? Can we see that bounce? Can we see it? Can we see it? My average is still kind of high, 65. If not, we're out of it. And we call it a day. See right there, we should have seen a bounce. And we saw
ACRV.
nothing. Hopefully I'm not out too soon, but looks like maybe depths. I think the first trade I should have re-averaged, sold break even re-average, and then could have avoided the first loss of like 30 cents plus. But was aiming for 980 bottom. We're at 945 bottom. And no bounce. At least not yet. Looks like backside. Alright, we're red like 800, so that'll do the day. That'll be the day for us here. We're not letting it go any bigger. We're shutting it down. And we'll be back tomorrow. So for those of you going till 4 p.m., stay disciplined, stay patient, keep watching and waiting. And that'll do it for me. If there's any quick questions here on the stream, I can answer, and then we're out of here. Let's see, ACV mid cap, perhaps. CPIX, is it looking good? Again, we're kind of at the max lot, so hold on, let me refresh this thing, because by the way, don't forget to hit that thumbs up.
CRNT.
Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Someone is asking, why am I averaging backside of the move? Maybe you just showed up, I don't know.
ASTS.
But we explained the trade we were looking for before the resumption.
SLXN. HCAI halted. Resume 10 hours 35 minutes and 8
The New
seconds.
Jersey Devils. You gotta ask Crispy, man. Crispy's the hockey guy in the group. From what I heard from him, they're doing well this year, I think. But I don't know for sure. Like, I don't know what their record is.
CRNT.
But I think it's a positive record, so that's good. Hopefully they win it this year, right? Actually, he said I think they're like the 4th or 5th best team. That was like maybe a month ago. So hopefully they're keeping up. The best year for small caps for me last year. Every year since I've started has been better. Some people might say 2020, like the GameStop stuff. But yeah.
CGC.
Would I consider putting positions on the active trader? I don't use the active trader. I'm using level 2. So the active trader, I mean, I've never really gotten into it. Like the ladder, I haven't really gotten into at all. Like utilizing this stuff here. It's always been level 2 for me. Level 2. Level 2. We're pretty much done for the day here. The deluxe package. So for DAS, I'm paying 150 bucks a month. I'm paying 150 a month for DAS. I'm not sure if that's the deluxe package or not, but that's the amount that I'm paying. Some people have the 120. They say it's the same, but I never downgraded, so I never checked. Like, let's say I don't know if there's like a huge difference. How long have you been trading? About 5 years. I've been trading for about 5 years. Yeah, I think the biggest thing with this stock for me was just the fills going up.
SLXN.
When I get filled high, it's just so hard to hold a trade the same way, you know. And by the way, here's the bounce. The bounce came at 9, from 9 to 10. Low of 15, high of 05. What's that, 95 cents?
CGC.
ZDGE.
That was a poor trade, I think, because I didn't re-average. If I had re-averaged, it would have been so much better. And I thought about it too, but it's like kind of aiming for the 80 lows, but thinking if it undershoots 80, it's not going to be too bad. We add and then we watch for the slingshot above 80. That's assuming if 80 is the low, of course, which was the initial low after the resumption,
CPC.
82.
HCAI may resume in less than a
ACB
minute.
pushing over 550. If ACB was strong, man, that would have been good. I think I could have done really well on that, especially with that type of float, the size I already had a few positions of like closer to 10,000 shares, maybe more. Let's see. Yeah, I had a couple of positions
CRNT.
closer to, this is OCGN. OCGN I thought was going to be good, but sold off. OGEN sold off.
IVVD.
Yeah, we had a couple of positions around like 10,000.
CRNT.
I had bigger size ready to go if it was going to take off. I was already looking to push 9,500 share blocks and then just buy twice, 3 times, but it never did anything. Actually, the move over 30 was good. I think something I have to do is like, even though I'm not in a very specific type of way for the breakout, is to still take the breakout, because I was trying to get the trade underneath the level and like ride it over, like as in like 25 entry, 26 entry. But once it gets over 30, you just have to buy once it's holding, because the odds are is that it keeps going and it does well, right? Once it gets over initially and doesn't immediately reject, most times when the stocks are weak, they reject like instantly and then come down. But for the people still trading this thing, look at this double bottom here, right? This is $2 a share, essentially, in these two trades here.
IVVD. HCAI halted. HCAI will resume at 10 hours 40 minutes and 59
$2 a
seconds.
share between those two trades. So you definitely can make money on the backside, but you got to be very accurate with those bottoms.
IVVD.
All right, I think that's about it. Not seeing any more questions, so we're gonna get out of here. We kept it tight, which is the goal here if we're gonna ever be red. And tomorrow again, hopefully for some better action, because today was in the slums, especially compared to the action we had yesterday. BBAI, never checked it out, but it did go from 585 to 632. Hit that thumbs up on the way out, and I'll catch you guys next time. Stay safe, stay green. The Me6 bot. Oh my gosh. All right, okay, the chat room, I tell you. The chat room is hilarious.